Well, hi, Tuckheads. We're back with another food review. Well, kind of a dessert review. It's still a food review, but I haven't done too many of these, and I probably should because, especially under lockdown or whatever this is, quarantine. I don't want to call it quarantine because I haven't been hacking yet, but we all need treats, don't we? And one of our essential businesses at this time in our community, Dairy Queen. And of course, not only essential in town, but essential to me. And our local Dairy Queen employs a lot of the high school seniors that unfortunately lost their spring, really everything. I mean, from prom to band concerts, sports, everything canceled. And a lot of these seniors that I see that do keep us happy with all these treats. A lot of them do work at our hometown Dairy Queen, so I want to recognize them too. Raiders, class of 2020, I do see you out there, and thanks for all you've done. It's just a bummer. Any town, any school, any spot in America, we know what you're going through right now, and trust me, we do see all of you out there. Anyway, we got a blizzard. Now, there's like a bunch of new summer blizzards. My son, Dallas, and unfortunately, I don't know why he didn't do a video. He was just so eager to eat it, and it was kind of half melted when he got it. It was the cotton candy one, and he kind of liked it, but he gave me mixed reviews. Usually he gives everything a 10, but he's still munching on it. I got the animal cookie. I mean, in Minnesota, growing up, we called them animal crackers, but these are frosted animal cookies. And I'll show you here. It's pink. It's definitely kind of pink. It's not as pink as it looked in the marquee. It looked a lot more pink. This is kind of just white ice cream. At least it's kind of holding in there right now. So, looks like sprinkles. I don't see any like cookie pieces, unfortunately. A lot of sprinkles though. Frosted animal cookie blizzard. Yeah, I didn't get a piece of cookie at all. No. It does taste like the frosting from those, those frosted graham or frosted animal crackers growing up, or animal cookies. It's a bummer. I don't have a. Maybe there's not supposed to be big chunks of it. It's good. It kind of reminds me, like if you were going to have, or maybe if you blindfolded me and just handed me a blizzard and said, here you go, Nick, you get a, yummy blizzard. Here you go. I'm not going to argue. This kind of reminds me of like birthday cake, because there's no, I mean, I might have to dig deep in this one and maybe I'll report back later, but I'm not going to sit here and eat a whole darn blizzard and sit and talk. Well, maybe maybe that's what I should do. Maybe next time I do a blizzard, maybe I'll do a live stream and we'll just sit here and I'll eat a blizzard and I'll just sit and talk to you guys the whole time. I mean, that'd be kind of fun. I mean, I'd be a fool to say that it's not good, but is it special? No. Yeah. I'm not getting any pieces of cookie. Lots of sprinkles. I mean, lots. There's sprinkles all over this stuff. But I have not had. That's a big sprinkle. That's one sprinkle. My goodness. But that's not cookie. So, In summarization of the animal, now that I get this mustache thing, I got to be weary if any ice cream is left up top there. Anyway, the animal cookie blizzard from Dairy Queen, is it good? Yeah. Of course it is. It's ice cream. It's got sprinkles in it. Yeah, it's good. Dallas would probably approve. He loves sprinkles. Is it special? Like I said before, no. I don't want to give it a bad score because it's not worth a bad score. So I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. It's good. It's a good blizzard. It's tasty. It's yummy. If you're going to get it, you're going to say, all right, cool. Yeah, yum. It's a blizzard. It's ice cream. It's good. But it isn't like mixing, like back in the day, Snickers, Butterfinger, and M&M's. You could do that back in the day. It was so good. I don't even know if they even have M&M's or Butterfinger. I think Butterfinger's now with McDonald's, isn't it? I don't know. Maybe I'll have to double check on that. But anyway, whole other story. 7 out of 10. It's good. Run out and try it? Probably not. Next time you go to Dairy Queen, you want to try it? Sure. Maybe I'll try another one of these summer flavors coming up soon. Tuck Daddy Productions. Thanks for joining us, folks.